Before we get into cameras, lenses, or fancy edits, let's talk about lighting. Because good lighting doesn't shout. It quietly makes everything look better. This is the Amaran 200x bicolor. And straight away you can tell it's not trying to be clever, it's solid, it's purposeful, and it's clearly built for people who actually use their gear. There's no lightweight plastic feel here. This is a proper studio light, the kind you set up, trust, and don't worry about halfway through a shoot, which frankly is how it should be. The real strength of this light is the bicolor range. From a warm 2700 Kelvin all the way up to a clean daylight 6500. No gels, no guessing, and no fixing color later in post because something was missed on set. At 200 watts, this light has real output. It's bright when you need it, controlled when you don't, and most importantly, it's consistent, no flicker, no strange color shifts. What you see is exactly what you get. It also works beautifully with modifiers, softboxes, reflectors, grids. You shape the light, you control the mood, and the light simply behaves. For tabletop work, talking head videos and clean studio setups, this is exactly the kind of light you want. You dial it in once, and it stays there. This isn't a flashy light, it's not trying to reinvent anything, but it delivers clean, reliable, controllable light every single time. And in a studio, that isn't boring. That's exactly what you want.